guys, for today's video, we're going to the school para sa recognition ng mga bata for the third quarter.
Guys, I need to tell you something. Mama accidentally break the glasses that we need to buy another one and because you're free.
I like your accent.
Her?
I
You think
like
I'm a girl?
your accent.
He's a girl.
Ay, kino-correct na naman ang grammar ko, guys. Bago yung salamin ko.
What do you download?
Kasi, yung isang salamin ko, guys, is naputol. Pang-pito ko na atang salamin to, guys. Buti merong extra na pinadala yung asawa ko, kaya meron akong magagamit. Pero yung lens, pinalagay ko sa optical. 500 pesos yung lens, yung frame yung sa akin. Tapos, ganito to, guys. Oh. Yan.
Yeah, see?
Oh, no, don't remove kasi mayroon siyang ito para hindi siya maalis. I put this one. You want to remove like that?
Oh, I know, because there's a magnet here.
Yeah, there's a magnet. Tapos, ganyan. May magnet. Oh, diba?
Sinong mali?
Mali.
Tricycle.
Pero mali ang tricycle dyan. Oh.
Hindi masyadong ano. May sakay pa naman buntis. Buntis ba?
Mali yung tricycle.
Dito na kami, guys. Punta kami ng gym.
Nathan Rickford, the Cadiz with honor. Johan Bond with honors.
Oh! Oh my God, girl.
Brad Joseph DJ Reyes with honors.
Nathan skipped it. Sweet home Alabama.
Parents, please accompany your child on the platform. Thank you.
Mama, Papa, Cat. Cat. I want to put the cat on your one. Bro, Jan became third.
Zane Riley Wildcasty with honors.
These are Johan, you got third. Look at Nathan.
Sandria Orsapasa with Christine Jen Himeliano with honor. Thank you very much and congratulations, Grade 3.
Did you know today's the peanut festival?
Do you know it's your dang festival?
Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Mama, can I borrow your phone? Let's switch.
It's boy.
Mama, are we going to school?
We're going to pick up Atara.
Nana, what's the name? What's the name?
Bob.
Stop! Leave me alone! Stay in the box! Stay in the box!
stay in the box.
Stay in the box.
You're a cat! No, stay in the box! And yan.
You're
Your
what?
tita is a monkey.
What?
What?
Quiet nga.
Yan, go back to the zoo because you're cheetah and monkey. Stay in the box. Stay in box. Stay in box.
We will see if
Stay
Atara
in
will
the
come in the car.
Stay in box. Or else.
Oh, Atara is there!
Matala.
Oh, you're looking!
Wala pa.
I'm looking
Wala pa sila.
at the black car.
They're not here
The
yet.
number. That black.
Wala pa.
I don't see it.
Johan. Wait, I'll send message to
I want to know her address.
They are coming. Atara. Ha? Okay?
You give up.
Walang papalakpak, okay? Sige nga, paninig 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay, palakpak pa. Isa pa. 4, 2, 1. Ayan, mga sabay-sabay sila Ate Chris. At dahil dyan magpapakilala na ang McDonald's team, alright, is strategy Hello ID, and I'll be your party host for this evening. Together with our lovely party assistant, kasi naman Kuya Jason at si Ate Chris. Magkaya naman po tayo, Ate at Kuya. Okay, syempre, makakalimutan ko ba ang napakasipag at napakaganda ating food coordinator na nasa likod naman po na si Ate Kay. Ate Kay, mag-hi ka naman. Ayan, mukhang busy si Ate Kay sa food. Okay, ayan na kaya si Ate Kay. Okay, dahil nagpakilala ng McDonald's team na ipapakilala ko na ang pinaka-espesyal na baby ngayon natin. Excited na ba kayo? Siyempre, yes na yes. And then, may request everyone to please stand up. Kasi pagkaroon po tayong lahat. At ating kuya. Okay, sumasabay po natin siya batiin ng isang malakat pa sa mga happy birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, baby! Okay, please remain standing for our opening prayer to be led by Sir Robert. And please for all, okay? Pero bago po yun, may isang tanong na si Kuya Dave para sa ating lahat, alright? Mommies, daddies, kids, and everyone, are you ready to have some fun? Yes! Isa pa yung mas malakas. Mommies, daddies, kids, and everyone, are you ready to have some fun? Yes! Siyempre, yes na yes, at dahil dyan, kailangan po namin ng 10 kids for our first game. Kaya Jason, po yun ng 10 kids. 10 kids lang muna, 10 kids. 10 kids lang muna, 10 kids. Ayun, Kuya Ray, patuloy na si Kuya Jason, please. Ayan, 10 kids lang muna.
Want to play? Ha?
Ayan, 10 kids lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ay, okay, 10. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sakto lang. Okay, kids. Listen to us, okay? Form a straight line. Dalawang straight line. Ayan, form a straight line, kids. Form a straight line. Dalawang straight line. And 5 players each team. Ayan, dito si ate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dito mo natin. Ayun yung mga kuya natin dito. 1, dito ba natin? 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, please move backward. Atras tayo lahat. Atras. Okay, atras tayo, kids. Mga kuya, atras tayo. Dito atras tayo, kuya. Ayan, very good. Dito, kuya. Alright, very good. Okay, dito. Alright, kids. Sige, kuya, atras tayo na. Atras muna. Pantayin na natin sila ate dito. Okay, pero bago tayo magsimula, papangalanan ng muna ni Kuya Dave yung magiging team, okay? Andito yung team Choconut and team Hot Fudge. Okay, parehas na Sunday na makdo na paborito ni Greenings. Okay, kids? Okay, kids, dito mo na yung tingin sa akin. Dito mo na yung tingin. Kuya Jason, Kuya Ray. Dito na tayo sa unahan. Ayan, dito mo na yung tingin na ibigay mo ni Kuya Ray. Shake your body, ayun si ate. Patingin na shake your body ate dito. Dito tayo sa unahan. Okay, ate, shake your body, shake your body. Ganyan, napakagaling naman na ate. Sige ate, balik na tayo sa likod. Okay, sige, patingin na shake your body nga. Shake your body. Shake, 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 shake. Ayan, very good. And after your shake ng body, ibawal mo sila yung cups. And pupunta tayo sa player natin. And mag-high five tayo sa next player. Very good. And after that, pupunta na kayo sa likuran. Kung sino after yung high five, pupunta na kayo sa likuran, please. Alright? Okay, naunawaan na, please. Naunawaan na. And ready na ba? Sige nga kung ready pa rin naman ang isang malakas. At masayang happy birthday, 3, 2, 1. Isa ba? Maligay sa malakas at masayang happy birthday, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, happy birthday. Go natin, go. Go natin, tara dito. Tara natin. Tara na tayo, masayang yung guys. Ayan, si ate. Ayan, dalawa sa taas. Ayan. Ayan, dito tayo sa part ko yan. Kuya. Ikot. And shake your body to you, shake your body. Very good, and balik mo na. And high five kay ate. Ayan, sa pinakalikod na ito. Ayan. Nawala ang team Hot Fudge. Nawala ang team Hot Fudge. Ayan, ikot ate. And shake your body. Ayan, high five. Ikaw natin. Sige, ikaw natin. Ayan, nawala ang team Hot Fudge. And so, ikaw na kuya. Ikaw na dito kuya. Ayan, and form a pyramid. Okay, ikot. Ayan, dito kuya. Wait lang kuya. Okay, nakami ng ikot ng kuya. Ayan, balik mo na yung cup. Ayan, and high five tayo. High five. High five ate. Ayan, ikaw natin. Sige, punta ka dito ate. Punta ka na sa likod natin. Ayan, nawala po yung team Hot Fudge at nawala yung ating team Choconut. Ayan, sige kuya. And ikot tayo kuya, ikot. And gusto namin ko unahin yung shake your body, ikot, shake. And ibalik na natin yung cups. appeal. Ayun, sige ikaw na kuya. Yan, number 18, hot fudge. Ayan, kuya. Ayan, very good si kuya. Ayan, very good. Ikot tayo sa upuan. Ikot sa upuan. And shake your body. Ikaw natin. Gusto na umiikot sa upuan. Okay, ayan. Very good. And high five doon sa kabila. Dito natin. High five tayo sa last player, kuya. Sorry. And ikaw na, kuya. O, last player si kuya. Last player. Ayan, and ikot. And shake your body. Balik mo na, kuya. And open na. Itong mga fingers natin dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tama, 5, diba? Okay, naman ang ating team Hot Fudge. Pero kumakalang po natin yung team Hot Fudge. And pakuha na lang yung prizes nyo kay Kuya Ray dito. And may prizes pa rin naman ang team Chocolate natin. Pabigay natin yung prize na Kuya Ray. And teacher, take me together with our birthday celebrant. Very good. Okay, at time, sinabi ko naman po, shoot that ball. Kung sino po may harap ng balloons, pumunta dito sa harapan para i-pop yung balloon gamit ang kanilang bat. Okay? Kung sino po yung mga makapag-pop ng balloon, sila po yung panalo. Okay? And sa ating losing team, kailangan po natin gawin kasi sa losing team po natin may punishment ring po tayo. Alright? Kaya po nga sa pass to player number 1, to player number 2, to player number 5, to player number 1. Dribble. Ocho. He's not getting from the back. Pass to player number 5. To player number 2, Ocho. He's back out to the Dribble. Pass to player number 4. To player number 3. To player number 4. To player number 4. To player number 5. Ocho. Ayan si Daddy. Galing Daddy. Ocho. He's back in. Pababa. Dribble. Pass to player number 1. To player number 3. To player number 2. To player number 3. Dribble. Ocho. He's back in. Pass to player number 1. Ocho. He's not getting pababa. Dribble. Pass to player number 5. Pass to player number 5. To player number 4. To player number 3. To player number 2. Ocho. Dribble. Pass to player number 5. To player number 4. To player number 1. To player number 4. To player number 5. Shoot that ball! Ayan, parehas na pumuntok yung bawat walang team. Keeper! Pinapaya po natin yung keeper. And then, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Isa sa matatayin na kaibigan ng Royal McDonald's winners! Ayun na kayo naman tayo sa winners kill. Sabi si Gilly. Bagay tayo ba yung finish team?
Usta, Johan!
Hi, Green Rays! Kaya pagod sila. Bye-bye to bye-bye. And hi, Green Rays! Hi, Green Rays!
Yuko na!
Ayan, dito kami sa Green. Ayan. Asa mo tayo sa tatay, drawing na
Okay. Johan, yuko na!
Ayan. Pinapili na lang sa ito. Ayan, nasa po si Daddy. Si Daddy na lang. Okay, balik sinabi ko itong orange. Kaya din tayo sa kanan, okay? Ay, hindi, mali. Pag sinabi ko itong apple sa kanan, okay? Apple.
Hindi takot yung mga bata.
One more time! Ayan, bago mo yung i-credit sila sa pamalit natin, birthday message. Ayan, sa mga kisa na gusto mo sumaya, bigyan tayo sa lapas. Ayan po, naman po natin si Green Rays at ang marketing. Ito, ano lang ganyan. Ayan. Okay, please look at the camera. 3, 2, 1. Smile. And rocking on, kids rocking. 3, 2, 1. Rocky.